Hello and welcome to Quantitative Reasoning Online, Lesson 16B questions. Had a little bit of a hiccup and went on pause, and instead of going back on to record, I hit close out the video and I ended up deleting it. But I want to go back totally, so again, we'll look for links and wasn't too far into it. Let's go to question 1. And I can still do it even with it probably done. So this was a weighted average question. And part A was, what is your friend's GPA based on this amount of credit hours and point value of grades? Now in the tutorial, basically I set up a little graph which gave them basically based on credit hour, point values of the grade, and then a total points. So we had a 5 credit class with 2 points. I mean, a grade with only 2 points. I had a 3 credit class where I got a B in, that's with 3 points. Another 2 credit with a C, and another 2 credit that I got a B in. So we multiply these guys out, gives me a 10, a 9, a 4, and a 6. And then we want a total for our left and right column. If I add my total credit hours, I have 12 hours. My total points is 29 points. So my GPA would be those 29 points over 12 credit hours, or 2.42 grade. The only error I had in doing this was I initially entered 2.42 and it came back wrong because I didn't read that well enough. So I figured out the math right, but got the answer wrong because I put in too many decimal places. I made it too good. Oh well. And in B I got disrupted. So in B, recall that we still did basically the credit hour, and now we did the GPA to get the points. And my first one, well, I had 12 credits, 2.42 GPA for 29 points. Basically, I just recopied down this area. And my next semester, I had 13 credits, the GPA of 3.4, which will give me a points of, that's where I disrupted, 13 times 3.4, 44.2. Now I total these up, I'll have, go with black. I've done 25 credits for a cumulative total of 0.2, 9 is 4 is 13, 4.37, 73.2 points. So my GPA cumulative should be over 73.2 points over 25 credits. 73.2 divided by 25 for 2.928 GPA between the 2 semesters. Does that make sense? By equal number of credits, yep, that makes sense. 2.9 rounded two decimal place, 2.93 rounded. And that was correct. And these guys are about the same, so I should come somewhere in between, and I did. Next question. Aha, two parts, A, B, C. So we're going to have to look at a bar graph. Too much. Intellectuals, borderline, above or above average. All right. So let's see. So from the stack column, how many states were involved? Male, female. So here's 1 state, 2 states, 3 states. Looks like 4 states. Yes, indeed. All right. Estimate the percentage of male children in category state. State D. Male. All right. So IQ less than 70, we're saying that is about 33%. They're saying that range is 21%. So these two guys combined is 33 and 21 is 54%. Of course, if I add this should add to 100. So what's 100 minus 54? Looks like a 46%. Yeah, that'd be hard to read. Okay, using the chart, estimate the percentage of female children in state D. Okay, we're still in state D. So now we're doing females. And about the rest of the chart. Okay, they're telling us that number is 49%. And now we got to go and kind of estimate what that number is. And I'm thinking 70. Maybe not. Well, I'm going to go at the moment 70% for lack of better numbers there. And so for the in-between, looks like this would be 70 minus 49. Or 1 for 21%. And of course, this would then be 30%. Let's find out. Hey, not bad. Not bad eyeballing. So like I said, they gave us this number. This was given. So we had to take a good on the graph that number. Guess 70, 69, 70, 71. They maybe actually gave a little range in there. But I used 70 and the numbers were correct. And I believe that is all for lesson 16B, looking for links, which we're looking at graphs, bar graphs, and weighted averages again. So now with that completed, I'll work with Stephanie, working on the workbook, make copies of them, PDF, JPEGs, and then do the practice assignment. And I'll see you for 16C.